Today we're going to go around the dealership and ask some of the staff members what the Darrow Difference means to them.
So the Darrow Difference to me is making every car sale feel like you're purchasing a vehicle from a family member, a brother, a sister, from your mother, or your father. That's the Darrow Difference to me, is making sure that all my customers are very comfortable.
My name is Kane, and to me the Darrow Difference means a customer-oriented experience where every experience is unique and different and tailored to fit the customer that's in front of me.
My name is Wally. I've been with the Darrow Group for 8 years. Really the difference that I see is that we treat all of our customers the same. Whether you buy a car for $5,000 or $50,000, we're going to treat you with the same amount of respect. We're going to show you how everything works in your car inside and out, and hopefully that makes a difference.
Hi, my name is Riley Sullivan. I'm over at Russ Darrow of Waukesha. To me, the Darrow Difference is integrity, honesty, and also our core values as well. Hopefully when you go to any Russ Darrow dealership, we can display those on full effect, specifically when you come to our store as well. We take great pride in helping family members, our friends, and also our neighbors as well. If you have any other questions, please let us know. We'd love to help.
And to me, the Darrow Difference is knowing that there's a lot of other dealers in the area that offer a similar product. However, here at Russ Darrow Waukesha Kia, we're going to provide a customer-centric experience that makes you want to come back to purchase future vehicles with us here, service your current vehicle with us here, and also comfortably refer your friends and your family. So if you want to see the Darrow Difference for yourself, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. Otherwise, happy summer. Take care. We'll see you guys soon.